Welcome to Codocrux. I am Gandharva.
And I'm Bhavish, and today we will look at a new problem. So the problem says that given an array nums, a array or a list nums, and an element target, would be an integer, and a number start would also be an integer. So we have to find the index of target in nums, okay, which returns minimum value for distance, and the distance is equal to absolute value of index minus start. So we have to just print the distance after finding it. Let's look at how the problem would be solved.
So, coming to the concept of problem solving, or basically solving this problem, as you all can see, we have declared an array nums over here, and our target element is 5, and our target is 5, and start is 2. So, what are these two things? I'll just explain you. So, 5 is an element present in array nums twice, and start is this number 2. So, what we have to do is we have to simply subtract the indices once from here and once from here from this number 2, or basically this formula we have to use, and we have to store those two distance as distance 1 and distance 2, and from those two distances which is minimum we have to print that. Let me explain you the problem with some more detail. As you all can see, coming to this line, distance is absolute of index minus start, and index for first, that is when I is equal to when 5 over here as you can see, the index is 4, and over here the index is 7, because this is how we represent indices in an array. And distance 1 will be, it will simply be distance absolute value of index 1 minus 2, and distance 2 will be absolute of index 2 minus 5, minus 2 over here, and it will be 5. So answer for first is 2 and answer for second is 5. Now what we need is, we will have to finally print or finally display the minimum value from these two distances, distance 1 and distance 2. As you all can see, the minimum value is 2, hence that will be the answer. Now over here what we have written, distance equal to distance 1 and distance 2, that we will be explaining to you in a short while when we hit the code. So we'll hit the code now.
Okay, so now we will look at the code at the left of your screen. So nums is the same array as we have seen earlier. Target and start have been still given the same values. You can generalize this code, of course, but we kept the same value so that you can cope up with it. Okay, so now we will declare a list of named as distance. This will be an empty list, and the reason for it will be conveyed later. Now for I in range length of nums. Okay, so length of nums in this case is 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. 8 is the length of nums, and range of 8 would make I to iterate 8 times through the loop. Okay, and now we will check for the condition if nums of I is equal to target. So now for any nums of I, if it is equal to the target, we just want that find the distance for it. So now this will be a new variable. This will be equal to absolute of I minus start. So now you have seen a thing such as absolute. It is a function in Python which is declared by ABS, and in the bracket I is the index for which that index is of a target element, and minus the start which is declared initially. Okay. Now we had earlier declared a list. We will just add this to it. Okay. So this is the append method. Okay. Method, the reason it is a method because it is for this data structure. And now append will add the value of this. Okay. So what is in the right disk will go into the distance. Yes. Now for our example, we will get two different values of this, and both the values will be added to distance. So that's why we wrote it as distance 1 and distance 2 at the right. Okay. Gandharva, would you like to add anything? Okay, I don't think so. Okay, now we will just find the answer by finding the minimum of distance. And Yes, just print the answer and we are there. Okay.
So that would just give us the correct answer. That is 2.
Yes. As we have already seen why it comes out to be 2. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching. Stay tuned to CoderCrux for more such awesome puzzles and concepts for various or concepts used in Python. And for more awesome content, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected to CoderCrux. Thank you. Thanks a
And
lot.
you may even consider commenting us anything of what video you want text, or if you have any doubt. And we have taken general values here for target and start. You may even change them and try it out for yourself.
Yeah, you may try various values and try it for yourself, and do comment us that what values you had taken and which demo array you had made. So, well, thanks a lot once again.
Okay.